really put outside of our comfort zones, and it's not what we normally do at school and stuff. So that's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was really fun, really interesting.
So this morning we all learned a traditional dance, which was really cool, that I wouldn't have gotten to learn like in Singapore, which I really enjoy.
Well, I get to try some different styles than I usually do at home, and different teaching methods, so it exposes me to new things and I can learn and improve.
Learning more about for the Saman dance, you're learning more about the culture, and like we learned like a few fun facts about it.
Every thing that we've done is something new to me, and we get to apply it, so it's really fun to do that.
It's awesome. I've gotten to do 5 different workshops, and all of them have been really challenging. And even the contemporary workshops, we've done things that I don't normally get to do, so it was really exciting to learn some new things.
There is contact improv, there is the
Saman.
Especially the Saman, it was really difficult to get used to because it's not something we're used to, especially the speed and the hands.
It's a lot of coordination that we are not as used to. Contact improv, we've done, but it's still different than modern dance or contemporary. Thank you for
having us.
And for the last 3 exchanges that we have attended.
It's pretty amazing. We're trying new styles of dance that we've never done before, and it's a pretty good experience.
I come from a hip-hop background, so to try these different styles, it's very eye-opening, and it broadens our knowledge on different styles as well.
It's very fun meeting new people, getting to do all the different things, seeing the different representatives for all the different workshops. Very good time.
Just a fun weekend.
It's lovely. We're having a blast, enjoying everything from the food, from the culture and the people. Everybody's so nice.
Spectacular. I think it's really a great opportunity for different intercultural schools to get together and share what they've been doing in all of their schools and bring it together to share their knowledge and ideas and what they want to bring to their school and their students. So I think it's a really great program.
It's such a fun collaboration, I feel for all the students who I'm sure have gotten to know each other throughout the years of doing this, and getting to work with different master teachers and have different master classes all together as a community, I think is really amazing. Yeah, I think it's awesome.
I just love how open the students are. That's the one thing that I would say is amazing. They're super eager to learn, like Natalie said, and just they're full of energy, especially this
so much
age
energy.
level, so much energy.
We're developing the connection between the sharing of the center of gravity, and when 2 people meet and they engage, and then the 2 centers become one, and through that we have created a certain exercises that were built since the 1970s, actually for more therapeutical research, and it's just a very easy approach that anyone, not only dancers, could just start working with, and you could see that kids were so happy and enjoying themselves and just learning about their bodies, about the physics and how everything works. Yeah, it's a tremendous opportunity to share and to free oneself.
Everybody brings a different challenge, and every teacher brings a different challenge, so I think it's been fun for us to watch their minds working with the new movement that we're bringing. But they're doing great. They're just eating up the material and working so hard, so it's been fantastic.
Yeah.
They came in and they just were full of energy and super excited to dance, even though I knew that they were really tired from all of the classes. Really great energy, and these kids are awesome and just love to dance.
Keep soaking it all in, especially at this age. I wish I did that more, especially with this experience that they're getting. It's so rare that you get to have this exchange with all of these different cultures and students. So it's a really special thing they have going here. So I would say soak it up while you can, while it's here.
Yeah, and just to keep exploring everything and like finding new things within dance and within your community, because like Joe was saying, it's such an incredible experience, and most of us didn't have this experience, especially for the intercultural schools. Like they're being in these different environments and different cultures that can impact you a lot, and I think that by staying open to everything that brings would just be a great thing.
One advice that I would give is just to keep following your dreams, because that's all we have, time and our love for what we want to do. And there's not limits to what we could accomplish if we just devote our time and our spirit to it.
If you love it, keep doing it. Yeah, dance is never an easy thing. It's a hobby, but many of us want to get more serious with it, but then that's always hard because many people don't take it seriously. Just do your best, keep doing what you love, and keep pushing for it, because as much as you put into it, that's as much as you're going to get back. So give it everything, and it's going to give everything back to you.